we drink every day is attributed to Amazon rainforest. Amazon is the biggest and Congo is the second biggest rainforest in the world. Rainforests absorb carbon dioxide, stabilize climate patterns, moderate local temperatures, and influence rainfall. They are home to half of the world's plant and animal species. They occupy only 3% of its area and keep planet Earth alive. Humans started to destroy rainforests since 1980s for food, fuel and fiber. According to some estimations, per year 78 million hectares of rainforest is destroyed. An area size of 40 football fields is lost per 1 minute. Deforestation is responsible for 15% of world's CO2 emissions and climate change. To save rainforest and biodiversity that lives in it, Rainforest Partnership started World Rainforest Day on June 22nd in 2017. It is the day to raise awareness to the people about the importance of rainforest. The theme of 2023 is Conserve, Restore. And the key focus of the day is to take a decisive action against the deforestation to reduce the effects of climate change and save rainforests for the next generation. We are at the edge of the severe environment crisis. If we don't save environment and rainforest, our Earth might have to face serious effects. So save environment, save rainforest,